Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and a warm welcome, or we say in Spanish, bienvenidos. I wish you all the best for success on your journey into this splendid language. Before starting the method itself, there are a couple of guidelines for following the course that I would like to set out in this introduction. The course is designed to be started from the beginning. Many people, despite not actually being Spanish speakers, do have a certain knowledge of the language. These people, the first lessons may seem easy for these people, but don't be tempted to skip ahead. The crucial first lessons lay down the solid foundation for future progress with the language. The course is carefully designed so that the content of each lesson depends on mastery of the previous lesson. So it's crucial to follow the course patiently and step by step. The next rule is not to write. Yes, please resist the temptations to write things down. You know why these temptations arise? These temptations comes due to the fear of forgetting new information. Yet with this course, the process of memorization is carefully designed process of constant reaffirmation and repetition of new language. So memorization is not something that you should concern yourself with. I would, however, suggest that each lesson should be taken perhaps 3 times each until you are responding accurately, rapidly, and confidently. I will be asking you few questions in between the lesson. Aim to get 90% of the questions correct before moving on to the next lesson. So now I would suggest keep imitating my voices, learn with the ear rather than the eye is a valuable advice. So now make yourself comfortable, relax and allow the method to do its work, and you can look forward to an exciting sense of constant progress with the Spanish language. All the very best.